Have you ever felt that your phone isn't responding to you that much or showing slitters while performing certain tasks? Then it might be due to the presence of unwanted junk files, cache, etc. If you are one among those, no worries. In this video, we'll learn about the 3 easy ways to make more space on your phone for better performance. So let's get started. Before starting, let's refresh our memory by understanding RAM and ROM, that is the random access memory and the read-only memory are the 2 forms of phone memory. Simply explained, RAM is the amount of memory required to keep your phone's function and programs functioning. The faster and smoother the phone runs, the more RAM it has. Another sort of storage medium is ROM, which has a portion dedicated to operating system and another for you to store your files. You can store more programs, photos, videos and other data on your phone with a larger ROM. So to start our method, first we are going to use the Optimizer app. Going to Optimizer and select Optimize is the quickest and easiest way to free up phone memory. You will find a list of junk files, residual files and unused apps that the system recommends you clean up under recommended for cleanup in cleanup section. Among other things, you can also view trash files by category under special cleanups, such as larger files, videos, blurry images and installation packages. To quickly identify and select data you don't need, you can prevent important files from being deleted this way. The next method is manage and organize files. After you have cleaned up your storage with Optimizer, go to Files, browse to see what taking up the most spaces on your phone. You can sort and organize your files by category and you can delete any that you don't need. And in case you don't know, you can delete installation packages after the apps have been installed without affecting your phone's normal operation. The next thing is the clear up app data and cache. It's suggested that you head to Settings, Apps, then Apps from time to time to examine what quantity space for storing every app is precisely using. Apps that you don't use or the ones that occupy a lot of space, go to Storage, then touch Clear Data or Clear Cache to liberate the space they have occupied. Note that app data cannot be recovered after being deleted. This includes all files, settings, accounts and database. The second thing is cache data includes trash files created and stored on your device by website or apps, and deleting it won't affect the normal operation of your phone. So that's it from me in this video. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also support the channel by subscribing it. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish. You're watching Technspice. Bye.